Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is strawberries, and we'll be making strawberry glazed prawns and Brussels sprout slaw and strawberry soup with crispy goat cheese. These recipes sound great, so where should we start?
First, we're going to start out with our strawberry glaze, and we're going to make like a nice
Strawberries
puree.
are nice and sweet, full
Absolutely.
of lots of vitamins. What are they?
A lot of antioxidants as well. It's great for your heart health and brain health.
And when can you start serving strawberries to kids?
It could be within their first year. You do want to watch out to see if they form a rash or have they look like they have an allergy. We usually recommend starting no more than one food. You want to do it once every 3 or 4 days. Keep introducing the same food. Make sure they don't develop an allergy along the way.
Okay, so with the strawberry glaze for this prawns, I use champagne vinegar. I like it. It's really nice and flavorful. So we're going to melt those together. We don't have to like really let it reduce too much. Okay, and then we're going to do a pomegranate juice in there.
You can get that in any local grocery store.
Right,
Pomegranate juice.
I put the onions right in there with that, and we're just going to let them cook out. Take our strawberries, get them in there.
Okay.
So we got the prawns here.
Okay.
We're going to cook them not quite all the way through, but we are going to get them a nice sear. And at the same time, what we're going to do is we're going to make a little tempura batter for the cheese.
Baking soda,
like that.
potato starch, and an egg.
We're going to use a little bit of club soda.
Okay.
So with the Brussels sprouts, I look at them because, like, you know, I love Brussels sprouts where I'll use them just like I would cabbage.
And I don't think people realize you can eat them raw.
Oh,
you
yeah.
don't have to cook them. It's a great alternative to lettuce.
Absolutely.
And then we're going to pull these out, discard a little bit of the oil so we don't have that extra oil in there. Okay, we got this, and you know what?
Okay, so
it
that's
cooks
bubble.
super fast.
Just
And
wanna break it
then
down
we
a
just
little
go
bit.
right back in here.
So strawberries do add a lot of vitamin C to your diet. So if you're looking to kind of balance out, get your vitamins that you need every day, it's a great source of vitamin C and potassium as well.
So this is a hot pan, so just take it off the fire. This is going to reduce quite a bit.
Okay.
I'm going to drop these right back in.
Oh, wow.
Get them nice and glazed.
That
Then we're going to
looks-
make our slaw.
What kind of vinaigrette did you use?
All it is just champagne vinegar, olive oil, and just a little salt and pepper. It's really simple.
Okay, so anybody can make that at home.
Yeah. So we're gonna do the goat cheese. We'll get that
And
going.
goat cheese is available anywhere.
With this, we got our tempura batter we just made.
Okay.
Yeah, here we go.
And when you're frying cheese, how long does that have to be in
Just
the oil
until the
for?
outside, you want it crispy because the warmth will just kind of carry over.
Okay.
All right. There we go. We're just gonna.
So that wasn't very long. Just,
No.
you know,
Yep.
30 seconds
great.
each side.
Exactly.
Great.
Okay, so we're gonna get back to our prawns.
Okay.
So
You
last
want a
minute, I like to
beautiful
do is
presentation.
throw some pine nuts in there, a little bit of Parmesan.
Oh.
I'm gonna cover this
Great.
for the kids. Strawberry soup.
And I love how we use the soup for the glaze on the prawns. So one step.
And then, who doesn't like fried cheese? Yeah? Get our prawns a little bit glazed.
These look amazing. I've never had strawberry soup before. I can't wait to try
Me
it.
neither.
So why don't you grab a spoon?
Amazing.
Amazing. That kind of tastes a
Delicious.
little like jam, sweet, but a little bit savory. Okay, let's try these prawns. And make sure to get some of that Brussels sprout slaw.
Wow.
Delicious. Amazing.
And the Brussels sprouts have such